Hello, and welcome to Healthy Life with Kimmi. And I'm Kimmi. Well, guess what, guys? Today I'm talking about my vegan ice cream. So, as you all know, if you're not new to my channel, that I have been doing a healthy weight loss journey. So, I've been trying different foods, incorporating different things that I just never had before, trying to change my diet. I'm eating a few more vegan options, and I want to talk about that today with a vegan ice cream. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I do encourage you to do so, because over here we talk all things weight, we keep it real, and we're just on a journey. It's a journey. We talk about emotional, physical, spiritual, everything to help get us going with this weight thing, okay? And sometimes it's ugly because we got to go back in order to go forward. And that's just my personal opinion. So today I'm talking about my vegan ice cream experience, okay? So I have a lactose problem. I don't do dairy very well. I just don't. I'm actually getting ready to think about an experiment of getting rid of some cheese in my life. Okay, I'm thinking about it. Not there yet. I was until somebody said macaroni and cheese, and I said, that means I can't eat no macaroni and cheese. So I'm still processing that. But today I had a vegan ice cream cone. So let's get the monkey or the elephant out the room. The elephant. My friend asked me, well, how many points does vegan ice cream have? I think, well, actually her question was, does a vegan ice cream have points? So I was eating it because I just wanted a treat. Honestly, I wasn't thinking about the points at the time when I ordered the ice cream. So to answer her question, I did look it up. I'm doing Weight Watchers for those of you who do not know. Yes, vegan ice cream does have points. It's not zero, okay? Even sugar-free is not zero. Sugar-free has about 6 points. I did a video on that already. So today I did a vegan option. I'm doing that more for my stomach and my digestion. So I had a chocolate vegan cone. So vegan is a little healthier because it does have less points. It has less than regular ice cream because of just the way they make it. Traditional ice cream has the dairy. The one I had today had coconut milk, which is less calories than regular whole milk. We all know that. I also have had an oatmeal option when it comes to vegan. Now, me and oatmeal, I have a little allergy to oats also. And I say little because it's not where I'm going to fall out and die, but my stomach just doesn't process it well. So even in the ice cream form, it did not do well. I did like the ice cream, but it didn't digest well. So I'm thinking the coconut milk that I had today will do better. And the other one was cookies and creams made with oat milk. Oat milk. Okay, so again, I'm just sharing this with you because if you're lactose intolerant, sometimes you do want a treat and you want to get ice cream with the family. And I actually ended up getting my husband a strawberry shake from this place. He didn't want anything from there. He would have preferred Brewster's, but since I tasted it and it was so good, I went ahead and got him a strawberry shake, and he actually enjoyed it. So he had a vegan strawberry shake. So we are making some different choices. When I say we, I use the term loosely because he's not completely on board. And we don't do everything vegan at all, but I'm just open to it. You know, I'm not opposed to it. If you had asked me 6 months ago to try anything vegan, I would have turned up my nose and be like, ugh. But as you all know, if you've been watching me for any length of time now, I'm actually trying some vegan options. And I feel better when I have no dairy, no meat, you know, stuff like that. So that's another reason why some people choose a vegan option is because they're worried about the ecological footprint, you know, not using anything animal products in their body or their bodies or affecting the animal ecosystem altogether, you know. Not gonna have that conversation because if a cow gives milk and you want to use it, I don't care. It's totally up to you. Everybody gets the right to choose what they put in their body. My main reason for trying the vegan option today was because like I said, I'm on this healthy journey and I already cannot process regular ice cream, and I just wanted some ice cream today. You ever have a day when you just want what you want? I haven't had ice cream in a while, probably since I did the sugar-free video that I did for you guys. And that's been a moment. So I just wanted some ice cream, but I didn't feel like hurting today, okay? Because like I said, sometimes when I have regular, it affects my digestive tract. What food just a question for you. What food is there that you enjoy, but for whatever reason you cannot really eat it and you have to do an alternative to get that fix, to get that satisfaction? Because if you don't get it, like for me sometimes, if I really want real ice cream, and until I started looking into vegan options, because I actually Googled and put in vegan ice cream near me, it took me out the way. It took me all the way to Atlanta, which is not where we were trying to go, but we started the journey, so that's where I went. But what alternatives have you had to do? Like, if you can't do seafood, is there an alternative that you like? Is it, if it's something like in my case, dairy, what options have you found, something that can satisfy you? Because again, for me, if I really wanted ice cream and I could not find the vegan free option like I did today, I probably would have just took me a dairy pill and then let that help with the enzymes that I'm unable to break down. Because I told you I got a pill for everything. I got an allergy pill, I got a gas pill, I got a gas, dairy, what you call it, to break down the dairy. I have if I need to stop the stool, loosen the stool, I got every kind of pill you can think of. And sometimes Benadryl, because I have a lot of allergies. So if I really want something, I shouldn't have to take all these pills to eat. You understand what I'm saying? I shouldn't have to take all these pills. So I'm trying to find an alternative to, one, just to be able to enjoy life, right? Because you still want to eat certain things that you want, but not have to take all these other pills and stuff to compensate for what my body is not processing or whatever. So a lot of times people will use plant-based or vegan ice cream in place of dairy ice cream because they have allergies. As I already mentioned before, they may have a nut allergy, they may have a dairy allergy, egg allergy. A lot of kids have egg allergies, a lot of them, and dairy. And even when I have dairy, something else that we don't talk about a lot is I have an extra mucus when I have dairy ice cream or cheese, period. A lot of mucus. The next day, my head is congested. I have to blow my nose. And at one time, it was funny. I didn't know what it was until one day I realized, I said, you know what? Every time I eat cheese, this happens. So you really have to be in tune. And most of us are not, if we be honest. We're not in tune with our bodies as to what it can process, what it likes, what it doesn't like. Sometimes we go strictly by our tongue and our taste buds. That's not a good way to do. It's not. We need to really be focusing on the whole picture. When I eat this, I feel this way. Sometimes you may get a headache. Sometimes your stomach may hurt. Extra congestion, extra mucus. All of those things can let you know that whatever you're putting in your body is not agreeing. It's not agreeing. But we just keep eating it because, one, we don't want to experiment. We don't want to do nothing different outside the box. And that's why this healthy journey of mine, when I bring something to you, it may be like, well, I'm never going to try that. Well, I used to be that person. I was that person. If it wasn't regular this, regular that, I don't even want nothing to do with it. But now that I'm older, I'm really opening my mind. I'm opening my taste buds. I'm opening my everything to wanting to live yet enjoy life, okay? So this is why I tried a vegan ice cream today. Let me know, have you ever tried vegan ice cream? If you have, did you prefer with oats? Did you prefer it with almond milk, coconut milk? What is your favorite vegan ice cream? Now, I think I'm also going to actually come up with a recipe in the next few weeks for my own vegan ice cream. Let me tell you why right quick, because that was expensive. Eating vegan options is very expensive. I don't know that it needs to be as expensive as it is, but when you choose to do vegan, it's way more expensive. So my husband's milkshake was $10. Okay, this was a treat for us today. We do not do this every day. It was $10 for the milkshake. It wasn't even no big one. It was a regular size, medium. And my ice cream, I had 2 scoops. Again, not knowing the points, y'all. I didn't know the points. But I had 2 scoops, and that was $10. And it gave me what was called a waffle cone. Not your regular waffle cone, just a regular run-of-the-mill cone. But they put a title on it and a price. So that was $3. So by the time I finished and I gave a tip, we're at $25 for ice cream, okay? I know I can make my own vegan ice cream for less than $25. So I'm going to come up with a recipe, and I'm going to share it with you if you want to try it. Because that was ridiculous. Now, it was good, but not $25 good. I don't have that kind of money to buy ice cream every week. Imagine if we went there once a week. That's $100. No. And yeah, so nah. So I am gonna work on that. So anyway, I want to share my vegan ice cream experience with you. Hopefully you can try it soon if you have not already. And until next time, this is Healthy Life with Kimmi. Bye,